So is today the day I finally do it? Do I void my warranty or not? Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today we're at one of my favorite places. We're here at Harley Davidson, Hartford, Connecticut, and we're going to find out if we're going to void our warranty or not. And I'm going to bring you along with me on this journey. All right, guys, so here we are. We're on the dyno. What are we doing? We're doing the Screamin Eagle Pro Tuner on the 26 CVO ST. And the reason why we're doing that is it is 49 state legal for the EPA, and it keeps your factory and extended warranty intact. You don't have to worry about, you know, if you're on the road, you're traveling, there's an issue, it's still covered under warranty. It's a Screamin Eagle product. Any of the Screamin Eagle products you use, your warranty will cover if it's installed by, you know, Harley Davidson dealership or an authorized service center. So what we're doing here is we're going to do a baseline pull to find out where we are now, and then we're going to install the tuner, tune it, and then do a final pull to see what the gains are, if any. We're going to see, and we're going to tune it, and we're going to do the runs in 4th gear and in sport mode. So once we get a baseline run, we're going to show you guys the graph and the numbers. So here we go. Max power is 110 horse at roughly 5,000. Max torque's 131. This is the before. Now we're going to see what kind of gains we get with a roughly around $450 tuner.
the download in it.
Yep.
And then 8 over in track mode, and then 3 foot-pounds more torque.
Wow, guys, you see that? 118 horse, 134 foot-pounds of torque. I picked up 8 horse and 3 foot-pounds of torque on the Screamin Eagle tuner. That is amazing. I mean, think about it. A $450 EPA compliant and warranty-friendly tuner for your bike. So it's a no-brainer. If you're warranty conscious or EPA conscious and you want to get the most out of your bike, you want to get the Screamin Eagle Pro Tuner. Let me tell you, hands down, the best out there. All right, guys, so I don't know how much you heard in the dyno shop, but I'm going to give you the final numbers. We started off with 110.77 horse from the factory. End numbers were 118 flat, 118 horses flat at the end of the tune. With the torque, we started at 131.12 torque and ended with 134.26 torque. So the percentages gained with that Screamin Eagle tuner is quite respectable. It was actually more than I thought. All right, we gained 8 horsepower. I was expecting 4 to 5, and we gained 3 foot-pounds of torque. So I really can't complain, guys. So if you, like I said, if you want a tuner that's EPA compliant, 49 states, and warranty friendly, where you keep your warranty, this is the tuner for you. All right, everybody, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking us out. Until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride off, and as always, ride hard.